Namaste, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're just going to start off with a nice flow and just an easy little warm up just to get into the flow. So, I want you to lie down now. And then just bringing your right hand onto your navel, left hand onto your upper chest, and feel your body from within. Feel your inner energy field. And just thinking about all those things that you can be grateful for that happened these last couple of days, last couple of weeks, maybe months. Just expressing your gratitude and appreciation. Just visualize them in your mind. And just bring your attention to your heart and say thank you, thank you, thank you for those experiences. Thank you for those moments. And then giving gratitude for this moment right here, right now, where you are in space and time. Giving gratitude for your beautiful and amazing body. Giving gratitude for everything that you have in your life. From the people to the roof over your head and food to eat. And giving gratitude for the gift of life. Giving gratitude to our Mother Earth and all the beautiful creatures. And giving gratitude for the fact that you exist. And then just saying to yourself, the beauty of nature I live with. The beauty of nature I live by. And the beauty of nature upon which I base my life. Just feel your body from within. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep sigh out your mouth. Breathe in. Release. Once more, breathe in. Let it go. And on your next in-breath, taking both arms above your head, give your body a good stretch. Just point and flex your feet. Point and flex. And bringing both knees now in towards your chest and just hug them in. Gently rocking from side to side. And cross your right foot over your left. You can either hold your knees or hold your feet if you wish. Just a gentle rock. Crossing your feet over the other way and gently rock. And bringing your feet down to the floor, and then just bring your feet together, knees together, and just taking your arms out to the sides. And we're just going to take knees over to the right and bring them back to center and then over to the left. Just a gentle little twist, not forcing. Just loosening up the spine. Well done. Do one more to the left and bring your knees back, and then just hug your knees in towards your chest. Pull them in. So rock from side to side. And then taking your hands behind the back of the knees, little rock and come up. And let's bring the soles of the feet together and knees out to the sides. Now you can sit on a cushion with this one if you wish. That helps just to lift the hips up if you feel it's too much for your back. And remember the hands, we're just relaxing them. We're not pulling your body forwards. Just relaxing your hands and do a little rock from side to side. And then just gently bouncing the legs. You want to try and relax as much as you can into your postures. Don't force or strain, just gently. And now take your hands and you're going to open your feet. Just open the feet. And you can start with top of the feet and then just slowly working down, going all the way to the heels. Well done, release, and then just gently bounce the legs now. Okay, well done, and just hold the chest, sit up nice and tall, feel your spine lengthening. Remember, hands are relaxed. And then just bring your knees in towards your chest and just hug them in. Now let's come up onto all fours. And we're going to do our cat and cow. So just taking your hands a little further forward. So we don't want them directly underneath the shoulder, the wrists. We want their hands further forward. You're going to breathe and look up, belly down, and then exhale around the spine. Breathing in, looking up, and exhale, rounding the spine. And just keep going, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's do one more. And just finish off rounding your spine, squeezing your glutes, tuck your chin towards your chest. Tucking your toes under now and just draw your sitting bones towards your heels. Walking your hands back, and here you can either push your weight onto the heels, or if you feel it's all right and you can come up. Remember, if it really hurts the feet, rather bring your hands onto the floor. Okay, we never force, always go gently. Hands onto the floor, and then take your knees wide, flatten the feet, big toes touching, draw your sitting bones towards your heels, and maybe take the hands behind you. If that's not going to happen, keep your hands in front of you. So go according to your body. And then sliding your hands forward, moving into your extended child's pose. Resting the forehead down onto the mat. And if you can't rest your forehead onto the mat, bend the forearms and rest the forehead. And slowly walking your hands back. And you're going to bring your knees together. We're going to do a little flow here. Quite an easy flow, just a gentle one. So you breathe in, take both arms up. And then we're going to twist to the right. So you bring your left hand onto the side of your right knee. The right hand comes behind. Doesn't need to touch the floor. You want the shoulders in line. And then just twisting. It's a nice gentle twist. And breathing in, taking both arms up, reach them up. Just watch that you don't arch the back. Keep the rib cage moving into your body. And then twisting to the left. Okay, the hands don't need to touch the floor. Sit up tall. Try not to bend forward to get your hands down. Just use your right hand on the side of your left thigh. Well done. Breathe in, taking both arms up. Now, as you exhale, we're going to bring the hands down to the floor. And as before, if you cannot bring your forehead down, rather bend the forearms. I don't want you to strain your neck. You can hold it here. Coming up onto all fours, I'm just going to look up and exhale around the spine. Breathing in, looking up, and exhale around the spine. And just do one more. Breathe in, looking up, and exhale, rounding the spine. And draw your sitting bones towards your heels. Taking your arms up. Take your hands behind you. So might be a tricky one for some of us. So you go as far as you can. If you can't take your hands behind you, just place your hands onto your thighs. And then what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the glutes and then lift your hips up and drop the head back. Now, if it's too tricky for you, you can come up and just lean back a little bit. And drop the sitting bones down, breathe in, swoop the arms up, exhale, twist to the right, breathe in, arms up, exhale, twist to the left. Breathe in, take both arms up, and exhale, folding forwards again. Breathing in all fours, looking up, belly down, exhale, round the spine. Breathe in, looking up, and exhale, round the spine. Drawing the sitting bones towards the heels. Breathing in, taking both arms up, taking hands behind you, and then lifting those hips up, dropping the head back. Remember, if you can't do that, you can come up onto your knees, place your hands on your hips, just push them forward and look up. Gently, very gently. Then drop the sitting bones down and breathe in. So this is our flow, swooping the arms up, As you exhale, twisting to the right. Breathe in, take both arms up, and exhale, twisting to the left. Breathe in, take both arms up. As you exhale, folding forwards. Breathing in, all fours, look up, belly down, and exhale, round the spine. Breathe in, looking up, and exhale, round the spine. Draw your sitting bones towards your heels. Breathe in, take both arms up. Take your hands behind you. Squeeze your glutes. Tuck that tailbone under, gently lifting up, dropping the head back. Well done. Remember, the sitting bones come down first, then the head comes up last. Breathe in, take both arms up. Let's do one more. Exhale, twist to the right. Breathe in, arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Breathe in, arms up. Exhale, folding forwards. Breathe in, all fours, look up, belly down. Exhale, round the spine. Breathe in, looking up. Exhale, round the spine. Now this time, let's come into plank pose. Shoulders in line with your wrists, squeeze your glutes. Thighs are strong, arms are strong. Exhale to downward dog, and then just slowly walking the feet out. Little treadle. Drawing both heels down. Just gently pushing on your hands. Then bring your knees to the floor. Draw your sitting bones toward your heels. Stretch it out. Breathe in, take both arms up. Reach them up. Bring your hands behind you. And just squeeze your glutes and lift the hips up. And then drop your sitting bones down. Well done. Just take the knees as wide as your mat. Big toes touching. And just slide your hands forward. Bring your forehead down. And then slowly walking your hands back. Good job. Okay, from this position, we're going to bring the hands on the floor, take your knees wide, feet wide, tucking the toes under, lifting your knees off your mat, coming into your squat pose. Remember, you can bring your hands on the floor, heels can be lifted. Or if you can bring them down, you bring them down, palms together, using those elbows to push those knees out to the side. I like to do squats. I do them almost in every single class. It helps to massage those internal organs. It helps to release the back. It's good for the hip flexors. And if you really battle with these and you do them against the wall, you place your back against the wall and you bend your down into your squat, it helps, especially if you have issues with your knees. Now let's take a deep breath in through the nose, deep sigh out your mouth. So I really want you to observe and notice where your breath is. You cannot breathe really in your upper chest. The breath is in the lower abdominal area. So you're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Big sigh. Breathing in and release. One more deep breath in and let it go. Okay, let's breathe in through the mouth and out the mouth. So breathing in, breathing out. Observe where the breath is. Breathe in, breathe out. And last one, breathe in. Let it all go. Bring your hands down to the floor. Bring your knees down to the floor. Big toes touching. Slide your hands forward and bring your forehead down. And then slowly walking your hands back, coming up. And see if you can take those hands behind you. Remember, if you can't, just bring them in front. And for those of you who quads are not so tight, you can come down onto your forearms. Or you can come and lie down all the way. Slowly coming up. And just stretch those arms forward. Walking your hands back. And let's come now to lying on our backs. So bringing your hands onto your knees, lift your chest, and then just roll that spine down. Bend your knees, feet about hip distance apart. And you're just going to take your arms out to the sides, palms down, 45-degree angle. Take the knees to the right and knees to the left. And maybe shuffle them about as wide as your mat. Well done. And now bringing your feet about hip distance apart, hands by your side. And we're going to squeeze those glutes and relax them. And then squeeze and relax. And squeeze and relax. See if you can keep your pelvis still and your hips still and just squeeze your bum muscles and relax. Now squeeze and tilt your pelvis and relax. And squeeze and tilt and release. And squeeze and tilt and let go. Now this time squeeze, tilt, and do a little lift. And then come down and relax. Breathe in, squeeze, tilt, and lift. And exhale, release. And breathe in, squeeze, tilt, and lift. And exhale, let it go. And this time breathe in, squeeze, tilt, and lift. And lift those hips up. And maybe shuffle on the shoulders. Or interlace your hands if you wish. Or just push them down into the mat. Make sure your feet are straight. Knees are straight up. And you can breathe in through your nose. Out your mouth. Breathe in. Release. For once more, breathe in. Let it go. Release your hands and then slowly coming down. Bring your knees in towards your chest. Hug them in and do a little rock from side to side. And cross your feet over. Maybe hold the feet and rock. Or just hold the knees. And then cross them over the other way. Well done. Release. And now straighten your legs along the floor. Bring your arms by your sides. Palms facing up. And just closing your eyes. Just letting your body relax into your mat. Just observe your in breath and your out breath. I just want you to remember about all those things you were grateful for. Just remember what it all felt like, that feeling of gratitude and appreciation. Giving gratitude to your body, to your life, to everything you have in your life. Allow yourself to feel that elevated emotion of gratitude and appreciation. And then just saying to yourself, the beauty of nature I live with, the beauty of nature I live by, and the beauty of nature upon which I base my life. Take a deep breath in, deep sigh, breathe in, release. Once more, breathe in, let it go. And on your next in-breath, taking both arms above your head, give your body a good stretch. Just point and flex your feet, point and flex. Bringing both knees in towards your chest, hug them in, gently rocking from side to side. Take your right arm above your head and roll over to your right side. And slowly coming up. Okay, sitting cross-legged, taking both hands behind your back. Take your left hand, clasp your right wrist. Breathe in as you breathe out, folding forwards. Breathe in, slowly coming up. And let's finish off with our 3 shantis. So I want you to empty the lungs. Take a slow, deep breath in. Om Shanti. 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 Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the scenery. I thought I'd do it outside in the garden for a change. Thank you.